JDCap26 here, just tips and tricks and hobbies, and we're going to make a Scream Gnome. Stay tuned. And we want to get rid of this tower right here because we have one color. So we're going to just go to Other right here and unclip Prime Tower. Okay, and he's not positioned correctly. So let's click on the model itself, get this little weight box around it, and we go to this right here to rotate. And we're going to go to the X right here and put 90 degrees in and put them. No, we didn't do that right. So let's go to Z. We're trying to get her to stand up. You can basically just do it like this to grab it. I'm going to grab it from the top here and turn them like this and like that. Let's make them a little smaller. We're using the wheel now. And go like this. And there he goes. He set down on the plate. And let's look at the size. This is the size right here. He's about 85. 85 is about good. I may make him a little bit smaller. I'm going to go to 50. I don't have much filament left. So let's go 50. And he's about like that. And you see he has a knife in his hand. Now we're not sure, but if we slice this, that knife needs to be supported. So let's go to support. Right here is support. And we'll go to tree auto. It's on tree auto, and let's slice it. So let's see what we get here. And everything seems to be okay. It's sliced nicely. See how it's got the support on the hood right here. Okay, and we're going to go and we're going to send it to the printer. So let's see if we, see right here? That's not correct. Okay, it's being sliced for the bamboo A1. You got to watch this stuff. If you don't watch it, it won't go through. So we want the X1. So X1, use modified. Okay, so we're on the X1 textured PEA plate. Okay, everything looks good. And let's slice it again. Okay, got to slice it again. Okay, so everything looks good. There's no errors. Let's bring it up. I'm going to focus here with the wheel. I'm turning the wheel on my mouse towards me to get it to enlarge. See the tree supports? Now we'll go up here to send, and we'll go to send right here, send, and then hit send here. Okay, right here. And you got to have your printer in there. Okay, that right there. If it's not there, try refresh. Then hit send. Okay, and it's sending it to the printer now. I will go physically over to the printer and go to that file, and I'll click on it. Okay, I'm not going to show you that. Well, maybe I will. I'll turn on the iPhone and I'll show it to you so you see that. Okay, it disappears. It's over at the printer. Okay, so let's go over here. Let me turn off this. We are at the printer. We go to this folder. Click on the folder. Click on the model. There's the model right there. Sorry, guys. Hit print. Hit close. And we're all set. We're going to start printing. It shouldn't take too long because it's a small model. So we'll see it when it's done. Okay, guys, I'm kind of working close here. The little guy here is all done. Take the supports off. We got one here on the hands. Be very careful. Okay. Alright, so let's get a little glue here. I'm going to put a little glue here, right there, on the finger. The glue over there. I got some paint there. Let's get rid of this stuff. I'm working kind of close here, guys, so bear with me. I don't usually work this close. We got some paint. And it's a black paint. We're going to paint this guy. Hopefully I can get the right color scheme. It takes a while for the brush to get soft from the paint. I don't know why that is. It dries up, and it just dries up so solid, you know. Try to hold it from the bottom. Am I still in focus here, guys? I hope so, and girls. He's a cute little guy. I made him small because, you know, I don't have a lot of space, you know. I got some, see, I got some, you know, support here, and I gotta pull off. I missed that. I don't have a lot of space, like I was saying, and that's why I make stuff small. Sometimes, you know, like a little knick-knack. And let's see. I have to put that brush to the side and grab a smaller one. I believe it goes like this around. Like this. I like using acrylics because actually, you can wash them off your hands easily. Put them down here like that. We might have to put him on a base because he's not really sitting well, sitting nice and flat. I don't know why, but he's rocking back and forth. Kind of a neat thing. Do it around here. Get behind his arm. Hold it by the top. Get in here. Get in here. Okay. So we gotta clean these brushes. Let that dry for a few minutes. Get this brush. Clean it. Take this top. Get rid of that. Yeah, I'm gonna get some white. Don't need much. Clean the brush again on this side. Grab him by his knife. Just gonna go over that. Go over his hand. And in here. I know everybody says get an AMS, but I really don't want an AMS. You know, I've seen where you have to repair him and everything else, and there he is. He's all done. See, AMS is to me a pain in the ass. I'd rather just paint, because I like painting, as you know. You know, do down here. So there he is. He didn't take long to really print on the printer, because the printer was saying, oh, Handy app was saying 4 hours, maybe 4 hours with the purge tower. Is he? Can you see him? Sorry, guys. There he is. I don't have a camera, man. He didn't take too long to print. He took about an hour, about 40 minutes to an hour. And I was happy about that, because I don't want 4-hour print for something this small. Would be weird, you know. Just touch it up. So that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. I'm trying to get to 100,000, and I'm hoping that you could help me do that just by watching for free. It is free to watch on YouTube. Okay. So stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.